Builder is a creational design pattern which allows constructing complex objects step by step. Taking our construction example as a reference, we have a construction manager who manages a team of workers. Each worker can seamlessly engage in various tasks, whether bricklaying or installing electrical wiring. Essentially, each worker has the same scope of capabilities. Now everything depends on the task assigned to them by the construction manager. The scope of tasks can change freely, depending on the construction project and current needs. Now let's move on to the example of construction workers specializing in building various types of houses in Java. First, let's define a class representing a house without any parameters defined yet, such as the type of foundations or walls. This will be specified by the specific builder. Next, we need to create a shared interface for each type of builder. They must have a common set of skills to fully construct a house. The specific execution of this process depends on the individual contractor. The most important thing is that the final product is a fully constructed house. Now we will implement a specific builder class, in this case specializing in wooden houses. It must have a private field for the house it's working on and creates its object along with creating its own object. The home object should only be accessed through a dedicated method so that its instance remains intact. Secondly, we will define analogously a builder specializing in brick houses. As you can see, the pattern remains the same, but approach to build different elements differ. Once we have defined the construction team, it's now time to create a construction manager. For this class, it is important to have a reference to the builder that is managing, so we will pass it during object creation. To properly build a house, a construction schedule is essential. Only the manager knows what needs to be done and in what order to complete it correctly. Therefore, here we define the specific steps the builder will take to ultimately deliver the finished house. Ultimately, as a client commissioning the work, we hire a specific builder by creating his facility. And then we hire a manager and assign him a given specialist by providing him with references. Our engineer will ultimately be responsible for the entire construction of the house and its correct delivery. In the case of this implementation, we have a separate team assigned to each investment, consisting of a manager and a construction worker. To sum up, the builder pattern is useful when object creation requires multiple steps, different representation of the same object exists, and construction logic should be separated from representation. Subscribe for more videos like this one.